Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, April the 26th, 2022. I've told you we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only one regular Sudoku. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Monday edition. Yes, the yesterday's edition, April the 25th, 2022. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. And the first one I will solve will be a letter Sudoku, and this will be number 4462, I believe. 4462. Let me check this. Just in case, 4462. Yes, correct. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has not digits but letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. The letters that you can use is the T, the I, the A, the R, the B, the L, the E, the N, and the J. And the goal is to solve this word in Dutch. Alright, so let's get started. We have A in the last row, A in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. A should be here. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see here an A in this column, so no A in these 2 boxes. Here an A in this row, no A in those 3 boxes. So the A, it could be here, it could be there. A in this column, A in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the A should be there. A in this row, A in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the A should be there. A in the last column, A in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be there. Now we have an A here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with A, so this box cannot be A anymore. That box should be an A. We have all the A's, and all the A's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter A. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We have an E in this column, so no E in these 2 boxes. And an E in this row, so no E in those 2 boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. E in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, E in a row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there, E should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an N. We have an N in this big square. So no N in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the N in this column should be there. Alright. So now we have two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the T is missing. I and a T, I and a T. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the T goes there. I in this row, I in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. Then. N in this column. And in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be here. And in the first row, and in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be here. N in this column. And in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be here. N in this row. And in the row below, so in the last row, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be here. N in this row. And in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be here. And all the N's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, letter N. Right. Okay. The J. Well, 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the B is missing, the J is missing, and the I is missing. B, J, I, B, J, I. And look, we have a B and a J in the third row. So no B and a J in this box. The B and the J goes in those two boxes as a pair. B and a J, B and a J. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter I. Alright, I in the last column. I in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the I should be here. Yeah. I in the third column. I in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the I should be there. I in this row, first row. I in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the I should be there. I in this column, I in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. And all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter I. Wait. Then. How about this box in the third row? The missing letter here is the letter. The R is missing here. The R. Yeah. In the third row, the R is missing. So 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters L is missing and the R is missing. L and the R. We have an L there. No L there. L should be here and the R goes there. So 2 missing letters in the first row. Those missing letters are the B is missing and the J is missing. B and the J. B and the J. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here and the J goes there. Ooh. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an L. L. We have an L here in this column. No L in these 3 boxes. We have an L in the middle, a row. No L in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the L. Should be there. L in this row, L in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the L should be here. Or there, we see then L, no L there, L should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. L is missing and the T is missing. L and a T, L and a T. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here and the T goes there. And then 2 missing letters in this row. The B is missing and the E is missing. B and a E, B and a E. We have an E there, so no E there. E should be here and the B goes there. So we have solved the word in 11 minutes. Biljarten in Dutch. Well, take a guess in English. Yeah, billiards. All right, let me continue. Let me see. B and D. Okay. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. We have an R in the middle column, so no R in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R should be there. And I've eliminated the E, so the E goes here. So now we have a 1 box left in this big square for the letter J. J is missing. Then. How about J is missing. And the T is missing. Okay. J and yeah. E in this column, E in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the E should be there. E in this row, E in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places left for the E should be here. Or there, we see then E, no E there. E should be here. And all the E's are used. I can see. By the way, a letter Sudoku, if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. It's different than the than the Sudoku with digits. So 15 to 20 minutes I need. So let me continue. 1 box left in this column. For the letter J, I believe the J is missing. Yeah, the J is missing. J in this row, J in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the J should be there. Now we have a J there, so this box can be J anymore. That box should be a J. This box should be a B. Okay. 2 missing letters in this column. For the letters L is missing and the R is missing. L and R. We have a L there. No L there. L should be here, and the R goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters B is missing and a T is missing. B and T, B and T. We have a T there. No T there. The T should be here, and the B goes there. One box left in the last column. For the letter R is missing. Yeah. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters R is missing and the T is missing. R and a T, R and a T. We have a R there. No R there. R should be here and the T goes there. R in the first column, R in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the R should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters B, no B we have here. J is missing, and the T is missing. J and the T, JT. Let me mark those. How about those two boxes in this big square? The B is missing, and the T is missing. B and a T, B and a T. We have a B there. No B there. B should be there, and the T goes there. B in the first, B in this row, B in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the B should be there. One box left in this big square. For the letter J, now we have a J here. This box can be J anymore, that box should be a J. And this box should be a T. Finish in 60 minutes. A little bit slower than I expected. But I've solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles. Two puzzles are left. Until then, bye-bye for now.